Hello, my name is Jasmine. Welcome back to another video. So in this video, we are going to be having a look at how to make a social media post that promotes a lead magnet that you might have. So lead magnets are something that if you are already using, this could be a packing list, this could be a short guide, it could be tips and tricks or anything like that. But the point is to promote this so that you can not only promote your business and showcase your expertise, but also help you grow your email list and attract potential clients and all of those sort of fun things. So this is a free template that I have for you. The template is linked in the description below. And what we are going to do in Canva today is just some really basic editing, but also downloading and showing you how to actually put your lead magnet into the template. So if you like the video, make sure that you like and subscribe. It is completely free and helps me out a lot with the YouTube algorithm. So get your Canva template through the description in the link below. Open it up and meet me in Canva. So here we are. This is our template now that we are in Canva. So as you can see, we've got our beach theme background, and then we've got this rectangle with this cloud and then this sort of rolling hill. So this indicates that this is a picture box, and this is where we're going to put our lead magnet. And then I've also got some text in here. So we've got this little button, grab your copy free. Some text. So I have tried to make this generic so that it applies to everybody. So I've got your vacation, our expertise. It could be your honeymoon, our expertise, your cruise, our expertise, anything like that. Anything that relates to your travel niche. So obviously jump in and try and customize that. And then I've also put a little bit of text, discover the secret of what your lead magnet's about with your free copy of lead magnet name. Obviously, this sentence here is completely customizable, but you're letting the audience know that they can get a free copy and basically what it's about. So in relation to customizing, you can change the picture if you want to in the background. If your niche is something destination wedding, you can obviously put something a bit more romance. If you're a cruise, you can drag and drop the picture to be a cruise or anything like that. So this template is very customizable, and I recommend that obviously you do that. So you can either do some of your own stock photos. So obviously that's through your uploads, or you can use Canva's library. So again, on the black navigation, 3/4 of the way down, we've got photos. So for example, I was looking at sunset, or you can type in anything that is related to your niche. And then basically all that you are doing is, say, for example, if we wanted to use this beachy sunset picture, is when we find a picture that we like, we just click, we hold the click, and then we're just dragging it until our mouse goes into the background. And then when we're happy with where it is, we're just releasing the click. So that's as easy as it is to change the background. And then obviously with Canva, everything that you do, you can undo it. So we have a little undo button up the top here, or you've got your keyboard Control Z to undo. And then, yeah, obviously you can go through and fully customize this. If you wanted to add your logo into the top corner, obviously you can do that as well. So how we go about getting your lead magnet into your frame is you want to go in. So I'm assuming that you have your lead magnet in Canva or wherever it is. You need to get it onto your computer as an image. So this is either a PNG or a JPG file. So for example, if we were in Canva and this was promoting, say, for example, the cruise guide templates that you guys have seen a lot recently in the newsletter and the Facebook group. But this is how we go about getting or downloading the front page of this particular cruise handbook so that we can actually use it in Canva. So if we jump into whatever your lead magnet is in Canva, and then what we are wanting to do is we're wanting to use the first page. So we go to share, we download, and we're wanting to go either PNG or JPG, and then we only want the first page. So we're unselecting this all page, and then we're just selecting page 1. And then what we're doing from there is we're clicking to download. So this is downloading the first page or the front cover of whatever our lead magnet is, so that we can then upload it into Canva and actually drag and drop it into place. So after we've downloaded the front cover of our cruise handbook, for example, what we're doing is we're coming over to our uploads button in Canva. We're clicking this upload file, and then we are selecting the front cover that you've just downloaded. So here's obviously a few that I prepared earlier because I've been playing around with these. So for example, if we went for our Royal Caribbean one, what we are doing is we are selecting the picture. Again, we're clicking, holding our click, and then we are dragging this into the center of our our rectangle picture frame that I've got there for you. And then we're just releasing the click, and that puts it into place. So that is your lead magnet social media post. So it's a really nice, easy, something that you can put into your feed and try and promote your business and your email list and all of those sort of fun things. So when you're finished with your editing and you're happy with how it looks, what we are doing from here is we are then downloading this as a PNG or a JPG again, so as an image file, so that we can actually share it to our Instagram. So you can either, if I show you actually how to do that, we come up to our share button in the top right hand corner, we hit this download here, and then we are either picking this the first two, which is our images, so it's JPG or PNG, and then we are just selecting download. And then what you can do from there is you can jump into your Instagram account and you can obviously add your post as you normally would. Now, the other option is if you have this already connected, you can share to Instagram from your Canva account. So if we click share, and then what we're doing is we are going down. So if you haven't set it up, you're coming down to share on social media. So it's just below the download button. And then you are clicking Instagram, and then from there you can actually connect your Instagram account so that you can post directly from your Canva platform, so where we are now, directly onto Instagram, and it allows you to add your description and everything like that as well. So either way, get your lead magnets out into the world, promote them, tell everybody about them, and yeah, I hope you guys love the template and that you use it and you put it in your social media feeds. As my mum always says, you can't sell a secret, so get it out into the world and promote yourself. So that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one.